Morning guys, thought I'd show you the Fiesta. It's all done now, engine's running sweet as anything. Been driving it around and it drives lovely. Passed its MOT. Basically all it failed on was a seat belt which had a little bit of plastic in it, which I sorted that out, so now it's got a whole year's MOT on it. As you can see, it's looking a cracking car, all polished and cleaned. Just show you around it first. Inside has all been valeted. All the seats have been shampooed, they're a bit wet at the moment. It's done 103,000. It's a very nice clean car, it's been looked after. All the seats, there's all the back. Oh yeah, the engine bay, it's all clean now. There's the old Mini Cooper with the old bloody injector leaks, which I'm doing at the moment. Let's pop this on it. As you can see, the engine bay, it's nice and clean. Scrubbed it everywhere. So the next owner, this has obviously had a whole oil filter, oil change, spark plugs, the whole entire lot. It's had a new battery. Not sure the numbers at the moment, I'll have to work all that out later, but this is all ready to go. Obviously this has got service history, it's got 2 keys. I'm not sure what it'd be worth, about 2 grand, 2.5 grand. Obviously with only 100,000 miles, that's all paperwork. There's the MOT, just to show you, all done. Completely finished. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys an update of what's going on with that. So that's all done now. So this will be up for sale. Once I sell this, we get another one. And then so on and so on. So if you like this sort of stuff, please like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. Took the tow bar off, as you can see. Sold that, 80 quid. So that's all good. Extra bit of money to go towards the car. Touched up all this bit because that was obviously a bit crappy. Touched up the doors. It's really nice paintwork, to be honest. Look how nice and metallic-y this is. Comes up really nice. Right, I'll start up for you guys. No dash lights or nothing. And listen to that engine. That is running sweet as now. It literally runs so nice. Well pleased with this. So I'll see. New engine. I've got to crunch all the numbers out and let you know what it will cost, and then we're back on the next thing. Anyway, speak to you soon guys. See you later. Bye.